Hi, I'm Nathan Thornberry, and I'm talking to my friends about the Tonal. And I have a couple other videos out there, but this one I want to talk about placement and space that's needed. Because Tonal, when you buy one, they're going to put you through this very weird process where you have to define where you want it. You have to show them pictures, measurements, all of this stuff. And when you look at their website, it asks for a massive amount of space and massive ceiling heights. You need 10-foot ceiling heights. You need 8 or 10 feet space wide. You need, it's like 10 or 12 feet of space going outward. And then you not only have to give them one location that you might use around your house, you have to give them a backup location. It's crazy. So what I did was I just sent this same location because, I know where I want my damn Tonal. I sent it twice. I sent the same location twice and it got through their system. So that's your first tip. The second thing is now that I have it here and these are, it's pretty easy for you to see how much space I have because these tiles are 2 foot by 1 foot. So you basically have just over 6 feet, about 6.5 feet wide between a pillar column here and a cabinet on the other side. So that's worked well for me. I don't know if there's a particular setup where I might be a little bit crunched for space, but this has not been a problem. And basically when the installer comes and he sees this space and it doesn't meet the total width that is their brand standard, you just hand them a $100 bill or tell them to shut up. One of the two, your call. And then as far as the space from the unit outward, I'm 5'6". Maybe I would need a little bit more space if I was 6 feet tall. But this only goes out 6 feet, and I rarely get in any of the motions movements, pulling on these out to 7 feet. So, I'm pretty good on that. I happen to have the space here, a total of probably 16 feet between that wall and the other wall where I have a Murphy bed that pops down here in a back bedroom in my place. But if I didn't have that and I had the bed, knowing what I know now, I'd still be okay with that 7 feet. So keep that in mind. And when you buy it, just know that their processes are just incredibly overly difficult, and you just have to have patience with it. And you have to do if you've ever been to the Bahamas or the Dominican and you didn't have all your paperwork exactly right, just have a couple of $100 bills with you. It solves a lot of problems. There was one other thing I was gonna mention. Oh yeah, so I had a few of my friends say that they keep their gym in their garage or that sort of thing. This thing is beautiful. It's meant to be inside your house. I would put it in your bedroom. I would put it in your living room. I would put it somewhere that you are all the time, that doesn't require you to go out to a stinky or cold or overly hot garage. Make it somewhere convenient, because ever since I got this, huge pro. I will give Tonal and other things like it props for this one. I sit down and use it all the time, and 1 rep is better than 0, as they say. So even if you're just waiting for a phone call or waiting for for the right time to leave the house, and you just have a few minutes, you can be dressed, ready to go. You don't have to break a sweat. Do a couple of lifts. That's it for now.